It's been a fairly busy week, making soaps, making butters, shipping products, editing video, to say the least. But this new business venture has me motivated and I just want to keep working at it and get better. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Aliris and I'm the owner, creator, and founder of Morning Tea Inspiration. And on this channel is where I share my entire candle making and bath and body making with you. So let's get started. I've had a lot of in-person and online requests for a handmade body soap without any fragrance oil. Now, for those of you who make handmade soaps, you know that you don't really customize your soaps to every single request. However, I received this request on numerous occasions, and we all know there is a vast majority of our customers out there that do have sensitive skin and prefer to bathe with a soap or body wash that is fragrance free. So I decided it's not gonna hurt any to go ahead and make a fragrance free soap. It's not gonna cost any more money because I'm actually just not adding fragrance oil to the recipe. So without any further ado, I decided to share my fragrance-free soap making journey with you. So let's get started. Interesting bit of information. Yesterday I woke up and my left index finger hurt. And this morning I woke up and it was swollen. Can you tell the difference? But I really want to go ahead and get these soaps made, so I'm gonna see if I can persevere through the pain. I am so blessed. My son got all of my soap making ingredients out for me and set them on the island so I wouldn't have to carry anything. He's so sweet. Thank you, Mason. So first I'm going to measure all of my liquid ingredients and place them inside my large bowl. When I'm making my soaps, I like to think of different oils and butters and vitamins that I want in that soap, and then I always double check myself by using soap calc to make sure that the amount of each ingredient that I'm using is safe. And what I like about soap calc is it also gives you a list of the properties to expect from your soap. You can check the hardness, the cleanliness, iodine, bubbly. There's a whole bunch of things, and you can go up or down on any of your ingredients to get your desired outcome. Next, I'm going to measure out my hard oils and butters. Today I'm using the heat transfer method, so I'm going to use the heat from my lye and water solution to melt my hard oils and butters. So now I'm going to put on my goggles, create my lye solution, and melt that butter. I'm going to weigh out my water and my lye in 2 separate containers. Now I'm going to slowly pour my lye into my water. You always add your lye to your water, never add your water to your lye. recipe, I'm actually going to post it below. I decided to share this recipe because I used my basic soap formulation and there's no fragrance oil. I didn't use any of my secret processes or ingredient ratios in here. So I will post that recipe below, and it's also going to be posted on my Patreon. But remember, if you subscribe to my Patreon, you get access to all of my recipes, and I'm uploading 2 a week because I have so many that I think it's going to take me a while to upload. But that's only $5 a month, and you get access to the free blogs, recipes, links, and a step-by-step instruction, a PDF that you can download and print for your records. I mean, everything is there, but bear with me as I build that up. Now I'm going to get to cutting this soap. I decided to call this soap In the Nude because it's like the birth of soap. From, you know, being birthed, and you're nude. You don't have any additives, you don't have any fragrance oils, you're just your natural saponification of oils, lye, and water. And there you have it. I don't know why I keep smelling the soap even though there's no fragrance oil in it. It still smells good. It still smells natural. It smells clean. Okay, so that wraps it up, everybody. I'm gonna let these cure for about 4 to 6 weeks, and then I will go ahead and post them on my website and take them to my vending events. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you like the content, and please hit that notification button so you can be notified anytime I post new content. Until next time, bye guys.